Hello class, welcome to Lesson 7 of our QA course. I hope you're all doing fantastic and have mastered our SDLC models from last time. Understanding those models is the key to seeing how products evolve. Did you practice comparing waterfall and agile? It's so helpful for today. Today, we're taking a closer look at the product lifecycle and how we perform specification analysis to ensure quality from the very first document. The product lifecycle is the entire journey of a software product, from the initial requirements to maintenance and final retirement. Let's recap the software development lifecycle. It's the engine that drives the product through each critical stage of its growth. It starts with requirements gathering and planning, followed by deep analysis and the system design that forms our technical foundation. The cycle continues beyond the initial design, moving into the actual creation and verification of the software product. This includes development, testing for quality, deployment to users, and the ongoing support provided during the maintenance phase. Now, let's talk about specification document analysis. This is a form of static testing where we find bugs before a single line of code is written. By identifying gaps and creating requirements trees, we can significantly reduce costs and improve the overall design of our applications. To see this in action, let's look at a smart elevator system. Analyzing its specifications helps us spot user experience issues early. A lack of clear interface or usage instructions can lead to operational difficulties and a negative experience for the building's passengers. Common issues in these systems include confusing floor selection and call buttons that don't provide clear confirmation to the user. Small buttons or illogical number arrangements cause frustration and delays, showing exactly why we need thorough specification analysis. A powerful tool for this is the requirements tree. It's a visual map that reveals how different features and functionalities are interconnected. The tree helps us track dependencies and ensures that every necessary requirement is met throughout the development process. Great work today. In our next chapter, we'll dive into the STP document, the software test plan. Don't miss it. Remember to practice at home in your free time, join our community, and subscribe to our channel. Leave your feedback below. See you next time.